Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Mango Sago dessert is a creamy, tropical treat that's as refreshing as it is easy to make. Originating from Hong Kong, this dessert blends ripe mangoes, chewy sago pearls, and coconut milk into a smooth, satisfying dish. It's a staple in Asian cafes but has gained fans worldwide for its bright flavors and simple prep. Whether you're craving something sweet or need a crowd pleaser, this dessert delivers. The origins of Mango Sago dessert. Mango Sago dessert didn't just appear out of nowhere, it carries a rich history tied to Asian culinary traditions. What started as a humble street food treat in Hong Kong has turned into a global sensation, thanks to its refreshing taste and simple ingredients. Traditional roots in Asian cuisine. This dessert has its roots in Hong Kong and Southeast Asia, where tropical ingredients like mangoes and coconut milk are kitchen staples. The original version kept things simple. Mangoes. Ripe, juicy varieties like the Alfonso or honey mango added sweetness. Sago pearls. These tiny, chewy balls came from cassava starch, boiled until translucent. Coconut milk. Silky and rich, it balanced the dessert's sweetness. Street vendors and home cooks often served it chilled, making it a go-to for hot weather. In Malaysia and Thailand, you might find twists with palm sugar or a splash of condensed milk. It wasn't fancy, just pure, straightforward comfort food. Modern adaptations and global popularity. As Asian cuisine spread worldwide, Mango Sago got an upgrade. Cafes in New York, London, and Sydney now serve their own takes. Some modern spins include layered versions, alternate mango puree and coconut milk for a fancier look, tapioca swap. Some use boba pearls instead of sago for extra chew. Vegan tweaks. Almond or oat milk replaces coconut for those avoiding dairy. High-end dessert shops even add edible flowers or gold leaf, but the charm remains in that classic Mango Sago combo. Whether it's a street stall or a glossy cafe menu, this dessert proves that great flavors never go out of style. Key ingredients and their importance. Every great Mango Sago dessert comes down to a few essential ingredients. Get these right, and your dish will taste like it came straight from a Hong Kong dessert shop. Skimp on quality, and the whole thing falls flat. Let's break down why each component matters. Mango. The star of the dish. Ripe mangoes are non-negotiable, they're the reason this dessert works. Underripe fruit lacks sweetness, while overripe mangoes turn mushy. The best choices are Alfonso. Buttery, fragrant, and almost fiberless. Honey, Atolfo. Smooth texture with balanced sweetness. Keat. Holds its shape well, great for chunks in the dessert. Avoid green-tipped mangoes. They're not ready. A ripe one gives slightly when pressed and smells fruity at the stem. Pro tip. If your mangoes aren't sweet enough, a pinch of sugar can help, but starting with good fruit saves the day. Sago pearls. Texture and preparation. Sago pearls are the sneaky MVP. They add bounce without stealing the spotlight. Made from starch, they're like tiny edible springs when cooked right. Here's how to nail them. Boil in plenty of water, like pasta, to prevent clumping. Stir occasionally until translucent, about 15 minutes. Rinse under cold water to stop the cooking and keep them chewy. Undercooked sago tastes chalky. Overcooked turns gummy. Drain them well. Too much water dilutes the creaminess. For a shortcut, mini tapioca pearls work too, but sago's milder flavor lets the mango shine. Coconut milk and evaporated milk. Creaminess factor. This duo creates the luscious, velvety base. Coconut milk brings tropical richness, while evaporated milk adds sweetness without thinning the texture. For the best results, use full-fat coconut milk. Light versions taste watered down. Chill the cans first. The cream rises to the top for extra thickness. Swap evaporated milk for condensed milk if you prefer sweeter, or coconut cream for a dairy-free version. Skip the carton stuff. Canned coconut milk has the depth this dessert needs. Stir them together cold to keep the mix smooth, not greasy. Step-by-step recipe for Mango Sago dessert. Making Mango Sago dessert is surprisingly simple, even if you're new to Asian desserts. The key is balancing the sweetness of mangoes with the creamy coconut milk and chewy sago pearls. Follow these steps, and you'll have a refreshing dessert ready in about 30 minutes, plus chilling time. Preparing the ingredients. Before you start cooking, gather everything you'll need. Prepping ahead saves time and keeps the process smooth. Here's the full list. 2 ripe mangoes, Alfonso or honey mango preferred, 1/2 cup sago pearls, or mini tapioca pearls. 1 cup water. For blending mangoes, 1/2 cup coconut milk, full fat, chilled, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, or condensed milk for extra sweetness. 2 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste, depending on mango sweetness. Pinch of salt, enhances flavors, special prep notes. Chill the coconut milk overnight. The cream separates, giving a thicker texture. Peel and dice 1 mango for blending, and cut the second into small cubes to mix into the dessert later. Rinse sago pearls under cold water to remove excess starch. This prevents clumping. Cooking the sago pearls. Sago pearls need attention, but they're easy to master. Here's how to cook them perfectly. Boil water in a large pot. Use at least 6 cups per 1/2 cup of sago. More water means less sticking. Add sago pearls and stir immediately to separate them. Simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. They're done when translucent with a tiny white dot in the center. Turn off heat, cover, and let sit for 5 minutes. The residual heat finishes cooking them. Drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking. Strain well. Wet sago makes the dessert watery. Pro tip. If pearls stick together, rinse them gently in a sieve while separating with your fingers. That's it for preparing the mango and cooking the sago. But don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll combine everything into the delicious final dessert. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.